That's all I need. That and that. And I'm getting way sharper results from all freehand. Let's try it. See if I can get you to see this knife. This is a really shit knife. I'm just trying to watch out for the tips. That's what my whole thing about it is the tip. Get it. I should have showed how sharp it was. It was sharp. It just had some. There you go. Get that tip going. Beautiful. This is so cool. So much quicker. And I'm not buying belts left and right. Look at that. Oh, so fast. Oh, I didn't get that. Hold on. The tip missing. There you go. Let me go to the next one. This progression is so sweet. It's so sweet. And it's so much faster than using belts. This is so much faster than using belts. Knock off the burr. Oh man. This is so much faster. Okay, then we go for it. Hit that buffer. This is so much faster. The results you get. Better not reach across there like that. Alright. And we got the top paper test. Ready? Oh, should I go through the oceans? I was about to do it the normal way, like anybody can do it. Anybody can do it. Alright. There you go. Hey, come on. Almost all the way. But you see it, man. You get a little twist. It's crazy. I could never do this on that King Onion.